Hey guys, so check out this new cedar birdhouse that I got. So this is from the brand Cedar Alpha, and I was actually looking for some smaller birdhouses for my smaller species birds. Right now they are actually setting up their nests in my honeysuckle vines, and I really want to clear it out. So I was trying to give them something that would protect them from the larger birds and also from the critters to protect their nests from that. So these are really nice. They are cedar. They smell so good. But this one, I have some other similar ones, but what I like most about this, it actually has this little metal kind of guard. So aside from, so you can see the openings up high and then they're going to be down here. I'm going to open it up in just a minute to show you. But if, I don't know, a possum or raccoon, something gets to it, without this mesh, it could kind of get its hand down in there. So I was kind of worried about that. And so I really like that it has this extra protector. So the smaller birds are going to have no problem getting right in here. And so it has a little latch, and I can get up inside here like this to clean it out. But one of the things I do like about this, it has this mesh thing that sort of is like, when I clean it out, like at the end of the season, after all the birds have, you know, hatched and moved away, I can actually take this thing out and clean it. And all that stuff's not going to be caked to the bottom here. And so this actually comes in a 2-pack. So you're going to get 2 of these. Super easy to just put on a fence post up in some of the brush, or you could actually affix it to a larger trunk or branch of your tree, one that's a little thicker and it's going to hold it. So anyway, yeah, if you're looking for some really good quality birdhouses for smaller birds, I would definitely give this one I would definitely check this one out.